As today we talk about how can you create collage on your Pinterest app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on collage here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and from this list here can you create your collage here or create with collage here. So you just search any of this here, and here can you edit it here, and here can you add so any image. So then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.